The third decision that was taken in the cabinet was renaming of roads. The cabinet today, after the proposal that has been given by the naming committee, has proposed A, that the Maulai bypass road is being proposed and it's been decided that it will be named as Founder Strong Kaji Road. This is the Maulai bypass. It will be named the Founder Strong Kaji Road. The second decision that was taken was the long round road from TSS Road Junction to FCI Godown is proposed to be named as Archbishop Dominic Jala Road. I repeat, the long round road from TSS Road Junction to FCI Godown is proposed to be renamed as Archbishop Dominic Jala Road.